How to fix Temu app not working. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first, launch your App Store on your iPhone. Here we go. Now go to the search and search for Temu. Now tap on the app. Now make sure that there is no option for update and your app is updated to its latest version. Okay, now another step what you can do is scroll down to your control center and make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If not, you can turn it off again and then turn it on again. Now open Settings, then go to General, tap on iPhone Storage here. Now scroll down below and search for Temu app. Okay, here we go. Now tap on Offload app. Now wait for some time and then again tap on Reinstall app. So by following these steps, you will definitely be able to resolve your issue. And that is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.